Hey everybody, how's it going today? I'm bringing you another video from Beefy Bee Homestead. Today I kind of want to go over the cage that I built. I want to show you what I did. Um, we are raising quail. We've got 23 eggs in the incubator right now. They're only on day 3 in the incubator, so there's still another 2 weeks-ish of incubating. Give or take a day or two. And I just kind of want to show you the cage that I built. So I'm not sure how much I can show you in this view, but okay, there is the cage. It is 3 high, and it is 3 foot by 8 foot. Each section is 3 foot by 8 foot. So if you follow the, depending on what rule you follow on how you hold or cage your quail, I've seen 1 square foot all the way, or 1 bird per square foot, all the way up to 3 birds per square foot. I have no intentions on doing 3 birds per square foot. I'll probably be in the neighborhood of the 1 to 2 birds per square foot, but stick closer to the 1 bird. And it's in two sections. So over here, we have a fully enclosed section, and I'm going to be putting sandboxes in those. And then over here, we have the screened in sections. They can go back and forth between them. So there's no, there's nothing that's going to keep them in one side or the other unless I close the door off, but there's no real need for that. The cage is made of, I used 2x4s for the main supports, and then I used some plywood for the boxed in areas, some scraps for the doors, and then 1x2s for the main cage. So I will take you around over here and show you everything. Okay, so these are the caged in spots. And again, here's the open door. And I just have some little latches up here to keep everything locked. Then the doors will swing open, and then you can see the boxed in parts for them. They've got a nice caged in area to roam around. And again, it's made of 1x2s and 2x4s for the most part, and then 1/2 inch square screened in mesh. And each section again is 3 foot, 3 foot deep, 8 foot wide. And that is approximately 32 square feet. So you could house, if you go by the 1 bird per square foot, you could house 32 quail in this, in each section. And then if you go 2 birds per square foot, you could hold 64 quail in each section. So you could house anywhere from 96 quail. If you go by the 1 bird per square foot, this could hold you 96 quails. If you go to the 2 birds per square foot, then you would have 64 in each section. So you'd have almost 190 quail in the entire thing. So this could possibly house you close to 200 quail. So I also have, close this up here. I also have space in between each section, and to catch droppings, I'm actually going to just use plastic tote lids. So there is a plastic tote size that I can get 2 lids that will fit under here perfectly, and then that'll let me, I'll have a tote lid over here and a tote lid over here. That'll give me 2 smaller trays that I can pull out, and that way I'm not trying to handle a big, 3 foot by 4 foot tray full of droppings and then end up spilling it all over. It'll give me 2 nice smaller catch pans to use, and that'll be easier to handle, and then I can just throw everything right in the wheelbarrow and then take it out of my compost pile. So there you go. I've been working on this. It's all complete now. I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. There's a few modifications I would make, building another one. But this was the very first one I did. And again, like I said, I'm pretty happy with it. So here in 2 weeks, we'll have hopefully some quails hatching. We'll get them brooded out, and then once we get them put in here, I'll bring another video to you showing you the introduction into this cage. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and stay tuned for more.